What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can find my account in Binance. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. Suppose you have forgot your Binance and now you are just trying to create one and it is telling you that you already have an account and how you can find your old account. For that, you just have to be at your Google and search for Binance. Now, searching for Binance will take you to this website here, search for binance.com. Now here, what you have to do is you simply have to click on this login button. Now, after clicking on this login button, it will take you to this page. Now here what you have to do is you just have to try to enter your old phone number. If it takes you that this phone number is in use, you will be able to recover it. However, if it tells you that it is not being used, it means you're using a different phone number. So just use the phone number and there you go. It will want you to, put the password afterwards. And the password, what you can see is you can actually add that I have forgotten my password. So I'm just going to search or enter my email and then I'm going to click on this next. And then I will simply click on this forgot password. Now, clicking on this forgot password will give you, as you can see in my email, it has just sent me an email to that email. So if I click on this continue, what it will do is it will just send quick email to my email address. Now, if I open up my email, I will be able to see a verification code. I'll just have to copy it and paste it right here. After pasting it, they will want you to set me a new password. In the new password, I will easily be able to reset the password. And once my password is reset, I will be able to get access to my Binance account, which I have lost. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can find your account in Binance. Hope you guys find this video helpful.